This is a 12-inch backhoe bucket that I recently acquired. It's missing the reducing bushing on the left-hand side, and the bushing on the right-hand side is broken and pushed partially out of the boss. My goal is to replace both bushings and get it to work on my backhoe. I've taken a carbide burr and ground out the bushing so that I could hammer it out. It's currently rested in place. I've managed to remove the old bushing, and there's a little bit of grinding mark from the carbide burr, but this isn't going to be a problem because I'm going to install a new bushing in this side. This is a piece of 2-inch stock tubing with a 1-inch diameter hole. I've already bored out the inside to finished dimension, and I'm now making the outside to finished dimension. This is done on my Morisaki 18-inch lathe. It doesn't look very big in the picture, but that's a 16-inch chuck. I couldn't get the chips to break. If I tried a deeper cut, it just came off with a razor sharp heavy ribbon sword. This is a light finishing path. As you can see, the finish is much worse. I ended up taking emery paper and using it to polish that up and get a decent finish.
Okay, so I made this bushing going here, and then the pin goes in like that. So I just got to do the same thing the other side. I think that'll work well. Okay, this project's done. We'll see if it fits. There's reducing bushing there, reducing bushing on this side. That one already had them. So let's go get the backhoe, see if it fits.